died.
We almost flipped the car, but it's okay.
We fell into the Missouri River. Did we even cross the Missouri River? How was the journey?
Oh, we almost died like 5 times. It's fine though.
Really scary. We're here.
I still don't have a bow. We compete soon. It's not really at all.
It's like
Really? It's like 9:48.
it's like 9:48.
TNT goes out like 10:30ish.
So we're here. We go soon.
We don't have makeup on because Megan's not here.
And Megan's not here yet.
I have a feeling this is gonna be a weird. They're taking a picture.
Yeah, I'm not sure why there's all these people up there just picture taking. But I actually think we are gonna do.
Oh, I think we're gonna do great, but
Okay.
I worry about selfies.
Selfie time. Turning the camera around. That's really funny.
Because I'm not even close to ready, and we have.
Yeah, I hate being this early. Like my eyes are still like heavy, so I'm on this. But the issue with this, she's not here yet.
I know,
She
but
said she texted me as soon as she gets out here. The issue is that I am really tired, so I'm drinking this. But every time I drink one of these, I have to poop within 5 minutes, and it's not. Perfect. Go pee. Go pee! I'm gonna put this on, but I don't want to do it in front of you guys because you'll make fun of me.
What is this?
Glitter.
Oh.
We love glitter.
I want to watch the first team compete, said that they don't like being first.
Oh no, it's the worst.
I really wanted to watch the first team compete out of the whole competition, but I didn't get to. Bummer.
Hey guys, it's Abby.
We're in the way.
And hold on. I need to. How do I do this again? Okay.
Abby needs
So
her makeup
here-
done.
Yeah, I need my makeup done, and I'm about to get it done. Sorry, this tripod's really annoying me. And we got Reagan over here getting her makeup done. And we got Megan doing the makeup. We got Kate over here doing something. And then we got me, who still needs her makeup done. And I'm about to hit 0 and it's about to be really good. And be my chapped lips.
Hey, homie.
I'm about to
Abby, it's your
about to
turn.
win.
What? Add the trash to this. Is that okay? Okay. Oh, my mom's. Wait.
Ours are over here.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, I went to your mom.
I want to.
We just got our makeup done.
It's
Looks pretty good. And our team's already all circled up, so we're gonna hurry. There's my mom.
I have to. And the bathroom's right there. Please don't put it in.
I'm going to.
We just went across from each other.
I forgot my tank, my hairspray, my teasing comb. Also, my fingernails are black. It says margaritas. I forgot my tank as well. This is all I had.
I did forget my teasing comb, but my aunt had one, so okay.
They went no. I was looking
It's snowing outside.
on Friday, but
Oh, they're right there. Tell them.
I
like your uniforms.
I really, really hope we get these first place jackets, you know what I'm saying?
I do.
what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's recording. Move.
You're ruining it.
I'm really trying to do something and you're in the way. Ready? Hi. I'm tall. This is the one and only day. Hopefully goes well.
I'm just happy they didn't make it on Saturday instead of Sunday. I'm not gonna
She got
to the bathroom. No.
Bathroom.
Passing that thing. Oh. I'm just gonna let them know that it's freezing in here.
So you guys, you're
I hold 17, 1, 3, 8, 5, 7, 1, 8, 3, 5.
What do we have here?
One sour and one sweet.
What's sour?
Can we eat it? No.
Let me give him the little haul. Hold this.
I can tear yours apart. Because one sour, one sweet.
Oh my gosh.
It's not centered. Try and get some shadow. Yeah.
Sweet and sour. We're your sponsor.
What are your sour?
Sponsor of snakes.
Are you videoing? You got seconds.
Did you hear her?
If you like it, then you should have put a snake.
If you like it, then you should have put a snake on it.
Everyone should do this.
No, let's do that.
2, 3. What? What are we doing?
I don't know what we're doing.
Are we eating this?
Oh.
Okay, we was like,
3, 2, 1.
there's no lace up.
This.
Watch it, the snake tongue.
That kind of big. It's like boogers.
It's sour. So currently we're eating snakes, and Reagan put it up her nose. The orange one is sour, and the purple one.
Mine tasted a little. Me too.
Me too. It will. Wait, I don't want to.
Better.
I don't want to jinx
If it don't, glass shards. I'm not kidding, Aubriana. I'll make her do bear crawls on glass shards. If it doesn't.
Guys, Reagan is mean.
Hey, you're gonna have to do bear crawls on glass shards if you fall.
I don't want to do that.
How does that make you
My
feel?
mom has something new that she's adding to this.
That's what I thought I said in my
Where are we
routine
heading?
for a long time. The practice room. Just to practice. We're not practicing. We're warming up. A warm up. Donate your vehicle to Goodwill.
We're gonna do great.
Jackets.
I want a jacket.
Tank, and I was so happy
They need jackets.
that this was in the bottom. Yeah.
I want one.
Yeah.
I want one.
You guys, take your shirt off.
They give out these jackets.
So we're in St. Louis, back in the practice room. Ow.
Hold it in front of your face.
And we're gonna practice, and it's gonna be good. And
Sketchy and dark.
yeah, it's like,
Then the mat's really small.
it is really small. And it's actually kind of really quiet back here, so I feel
It is.
awkward vlogging, but I feel like everybody's staring at me.
Everyone stare at Grayson.
No, nobody's staring at me.
I found your twin.
Who?
3 of them. Pick that up. Do you have anything to say?
Huh?
Anything to say?
We thought we did bad, but we
Really
actually didn't.
No, we watched the video and we did not do as bad as we thought.
My stunt hit.
My stunt hit.
My tumbling, I forgot to do my pass, but I still have a level 4 pass.
I didn't do my standing tuck and I'm mad about it and I don't
She
know
just
why.
stood there.
But
It's okay.
we'll see what
I don't know
happens.
if we have any deductions.
I don't either. We'll see what happens and we'll let you know.
This has been such a weird weekend.
Very weird.
We're going to awards. They bleeped out the word. We're going to awards.
Little kids are gonna say
It's very cold. Rushed in here and cold. There's really cold. No heat, not at all. I don't know where we're going. We're just following Coach Mary.
Meet up with her.
Yeah, we're following Coach Mary. Here, take your phone. She's kind of like our mom. She just takes us everywhere. Now we're going downstairs. I don't know where we're going though. Okay, I'll catch up with you soon. Okay. I need to get this back to
Art box, Carolyn.
bow because I didn't actually have a bow.
Put that in our bow.
You're right.
We just lined up like we're in preschool.
Looks like she's putting a maxi pad on her head.
Now I look cute.
Panel right here only.
Why'd she say that? Well, we're not.
You excited? It's gonna be a great awards.
So hopefully the outcome is really good. Oh, okay. For everybody. Oh, hold on.
So we're about to win NCA. Hey, 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 hey. Let's make an NCA beat. Hey, guys, ready? We're gonna. Hey, we're making a beat. Come on, guys. Join in on it.
Can y'all at least stay on beat? What is going on?
We did this at the dinner table.
Johnny, you start the beat.
Yeah.
That's it. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah.
Just because I'm.
But I think
Yes. Everyone join in. Go.
Yeah, so we're done.
Oh my. Twist.
It's like a...
Hey, back up to that line right there. Everyone scoot back.
Oh
Back
my
up to that
God.
line. Everyone scoot back.
It's really hard.
I know, we're spooky. Y'all went out that way, I kept yelling at them.
We went out 2 separate doors. That's so embarrassing.
Y'all gonna have
Hey, guys, 2 different teams.
Yes.
Okay, so
We do know hot, but
Next up, we have
for
our
the vlog,
level 4
so,
senior co-ed. Our champion,
like,
level 4 senior co-ed.
subscribe,
Rock
comment how
solid
bad we
Black
did.
Diamond.